Oh! Never in doubt, obviously. Welcome back, guys. The camera hasn't moved, and nor have I, because I'm so excited I'm going to turn the key now. Today we're going to be getting this MR2 running for the first time in many, many years. Let's go and take a look. Now then guys, before we turn the key for the big moment, let me give you a bit of background and tell you about how we got to here today. Now, I picked this car up about 2 weeks ago, just before Christmas. It had been outside, pretty much uncovered and neglected for the last 12 years, and I bought it because I want to save it. I want to get an MOT, I want to get it on the road, and I want to see what the fuss is all about with this 4AG engine, this Mark 1 MR2 business. So in the last couple of weeks I've been doing a lot of welding, and I've also diagnosed the fact that we needed a new fuel pump. So the other day we pulled the tank out, put a pump in, bench tested it, and we've now got fuel pressure. Fuel pressure, fuel pressure. And as we know from episode 2, the car will run on easy start. So I see no reason why this car should not run, and run, hopefully, pretty well. Now, if the car does catch and run, we're not going to run it for very long, because when I topped up the coolant system the other day, a lot of it fell out and went all over the floor. So I'm sure my next job is going to be fixing the hole that we got in the coolant system. But let's give it a go anyway. I'm really excited. Let's have a go. Bear in mind that there's no exhaust fitted, so it might be a bit loud. What do you reckon, is it going to work?
No.
Oh, that's close. Oh. Oh, that's close. No! Engine sounds like with no exhaust fitted. Amazing. Never in doubt, obviously. Yes. What a result! That is massive. Huge, huge, huge. And doesn't sound too bad with no exhaust on it, does it? Kind of. If you like it obnoxiously loud. Happy days. we've got some things to work on. And also I can now buy myself an exhaust and treat myself, because if you follow our Instagram, you'll see that the other one is completely rotten. Now it also is struggling to start without a little bit of pedal, and then it struggles to idle slightly, and it was a bit spluttery and juttery, and then it seemed to clear as it went on. So lack of use, I would have thought. We've got to fix that coolant leak, and then we can change the coolant, and then we can look into spark plugs, distributor cap, rotor arm, and see if we can get it running a little bit sweeter. Right then guys, I'm going to move on to some welding at the front, which may delay a little bit of video progress for you guys, because I don't really think you want to see another welding video. But we're in a much better place. That MOT is always a little bit closer when you've got the ability to drive to it. If you enjoyed today's video as much as me, I find that hard to believe. But if you enjoyed today's video and you want to see more from the build, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, do what you need to do. I don't really care. I'm in such a great mood. Have a wonderful couple of days. I will see you soon. Goodbye. I'm off to buy myself an exhaust to quieten that down a little bit, and it means I can buy
eyes are really red.
Probably because they're full of petrol. Cheerio.